Yo. So, a few things we're doing tonight, or I'm doing. First of all, I got new headphones because the other ones broke, so I'm not using these anymore. And these are nice. They're the Logitech something. So, sorry about the ding sounds, these are me. I'm gonna go ahead and share the stream. So, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be working on my app, which is called Randocity. It's on the App Store. But I've kind of come to a revelation. So, basically, I've made a couple apps. I'll go ahead and show you my phone for this. So we have this app called Day Chip Generator. Basically, I don't know if that's faced the right direction or not. Probably not. But if I tap here, I'll read it to you. Something fun. Check out your favorite ice cream parlor. Something hard. Do a 6-mile walk with a bottle of your favorite drink. Something crazy. High five 5 people. You can hit generate again. Do your favorite arcade, or go to your favorite arcade. Go for a 6-mile walk with an animal. Talk to someone about their job. And then there's options like family-friendly mode and old people mode. So, welcome Slurpee. I do smell weird. So basically, with this app, and then there's the other one, which is what I coded on the other stream. What I'm doing is, instead of publishing those as their own apps, which I was originally intending to do, I'm going to try to all combine them into my other app, which is on the App Store, called Randocity. I love you too, Slurpee. So, let's get started. So, I'm going to have to open up... Oh, Are we still on? That was crazy. Okay, if I'm still live, that's amazing. My power just went out. That is the fastest I have ran to the breaker box in a long time. So I gotta cut down the power. I'll turn off this lamp. I want to leave my lights on back here. Oh, man, I lost my viewer. I lost Slurpee. Hopefully the power doesn't go out again. We got everything on tonight. Because it's warm. Oh, looks like I'm out of focus. That's Cap? Okay. Oh, you are? Oh, yeah, I guess you are still here. Well, cool. Anyway. Looks like my screen stopped sharing. So, because it's frozen. So I'm just going to delete it. And then I'll add back a new screen capture. Sorry about the trouble. Here we go. Slurpee, just a question for you. How'd you find out about the stream? Oh man, the music's way too loud. There we go. Just a question for you. How did you find out about the stream? Was it on your homepage or what? It was luck? Good luck or bad luck? Who even is? Tell me, Slurpee. Do I know you IRL?
I'm going.
Average luck? Okay. Isn't average luck just a coincidence? Also, I just realized this music is probably copyrighted. Alright. So. We also need to open Classroom Assistant. Yo. My power went out. Again. Thank you for the lighting. Here's the thing though. Let me get back in focus. It's how the lighting normally is, right? And then I have another light over here that kind of shines up. But the power is gonna go out again. Hey, what's up, Addy? I'm trying to beat you in subscribers. Anyway, tonight I gotta leave the light. I gotta leave this light off just because the power keeps going out. So that's how it's gonna be. Howdy, Addy. All right. No, Addy. Quit trolling, Slurpee. So we have this main view. Student view. Settings. Student view, settings view. So I could just drag student view over here. And then same thing with the settings view. Can both of y'all hear me? Oh, it looks like my screen capture got frozen again. I know you never post, well you got subs. I don't know how that happened. I'm not trying to... That came out wrong. Your content's cool. Okay, you hear me? Let's see. Screen capture. Every time the power goes out, I'm gonna have to do this. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, that should have taken over the whole screen. Fit to screen. Drag this below here. And we are back up and running. I guess you could fight Addy while I code. Classroom assistant. So we also need to take settings view. What is main view? Main view is just navigation. Settings view. Put that right below student view. Shoot, that's an issue. Because we have two settings views. So we need to rename this. We'll rename it student settings view. And that should update here. I want to rename this. Here's what we'll do. I'll just take all this content here. Shoot, what happened? Welcome view. Just delete this. Okay, so we have student view. All this stuff, all the other stuff. Here, let me make sure y'all can. Oh yeah, I need to turn down the music. This is why this is gonna be real frustrating. Let me move this over. That way I can click here. So just need to take all this, copy it, and then make a new file, SwiftUI view, and name it student settings view. Create. Then in here, based on all this, preview student settings view. This should be student settings view. Okay, let's pray that this previews properly. You haven't posted in 6 months? How many subs do you have, Addy? Type in chat. Like 2,000, right? Something like that. Alright, this is working. Okay, student view. Let's see if this is working. Should work. Oh yeah, it's because I dragged it in. So I need to just delete student view. And make a new one. File, new file, SwiftUI view, student view. And then I come in here. What the heck? Because I put it in trash. That's what happened. So I need to look for right here, student view, put back. I thought there was an option that let you like put it back. Here's what we'll do is we'll show this. There we go, student view. Add item in options. Or just add an item. And I think they could figure it out. Okay, then we have this button. This is choose student. This is what it needs to do. So we could do my button. And then in here, we do text. Would it be this will be like the flagship feature of the Hey, what's up, Jaden? Action. Okay, so this should work. Yep. Add an item. Perfect. Okay, now we need a button for options. I guess that could go up top. Or like a toolbar. So I think it'd be view, and then is it dot toolbar items. How do you add a toolbar? Let's ask alright, bye. Okay, so we need another button that says like items or something. So this could go on top, this could go below, this could go up here. Okay, so what if this isn't an H stack, which means it's going to stack them horizontally. And then before it, we have another my button text is options. Okay, so it looks like we have some kind of spacer issues. Think we could fix that here in templates. So we go to my button, that's the name of the thing. var body, var right here, my button. Then we just look for padding. Oh, it's in body. Okay, right here. Padding horizontal is 64. Okay, let's think here. What if we made it 32? Let's see how that would look. I mean, it's not bad. Let's just see how that looks. If we go back to student view. Still not quite there. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this. You know what, that's fine. I like the thing anyway. But instead of my button, what we'll do is we'll just make it button called and we'll do action label. So for the label, we'll do image, system name, and then what's this one called? There's like a, right here, ellipsis dot circle. Okay, so first under action, don't tell him to shush. Okay, so now we have this button over here. Okay, so it actually needs to be a navigation link. Label content is going to be, nope, it's going to be image, system name, so ellipsis dot circle. Here we go, we get that. Destination is going to be student settings view. Okay. We do dot font dot title. And then we should replace this so it's on the right side. We can do dot pattern. That's not right. We don't need the VStack. How do you spell it? It's ellipsis. Okay, so we have this options thing. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do is ask ChatGPT how to add a toolbar item. What's up, Zachary Asabe? I butchered that name, I'm sorry. Why'd you say Bella? What's Bella mean? How do I add a navigation link to the toolbar? Dot navigation title is main dot toolbar. So it's on the body. Oh. So it's just this, honestly. options, so we get rid of this. This one is tough because I don't really understand what this is saying here. So it's saying I can max out my mic. I think that's good. Okay. Yo, who's watching? Type in chat. Throw your name or fun fact about you or something cool. Let's see here. Toolbar, navigation title. Oh, it has to be a navigation view. Or navigation stack, I guess we'll do. There we go. So now we have text, and that leads over here. Okay. So then should we add an item or add items? And then if there's nothing there, okay, we need to do something about this. So or just do dot padding dot horizontal is 32. Let's do 16. Add items. Let's open that. Cool. Let's see how this looks in dark mode. That's our first feature, and that is student view. So now we need to go to mode list view and add in one of these sections. this one to go right here. It'll be called custom. Say choose your own items to pick from. I like globe. Oh yeah, and then it needs to lead to student view. And then we can go here. Sam. Okay, so there's something up with those buttons. So we need to go to student settings view. Find the button that says add item. We'll do dot accent color is my button dot custom color. Vampy says one person. Yeah, that one person's you. Welcome to the stream. Let me change this lighting so I'm not as orange. See, I'm so afraid that if I turn on this backlight, the power is going to go out again. And I don't want that to happen. Like that. No, not worth it. I'm in the dark tonight. Sweet, so this all works. I can delete these. Just your own items to pick from. Amazing. Okay. The second one's gonna be even worse. Oh. It's already late. It's 9:45, but here's the thing. I'm promising myself right now, I'm not gonna end the stream until I have submitted this app on the App Store. Like, this app's already on the App Store, but I'm not gonna end this until I've submitted this update. Gotten everything that I said I would get done. We've done half of it, right? Doing one of the two modes. And I'm not gonna quit. So, we're gonna do the other part. Data chip generator. Templates. What are these templates? So what is this? Random options view. Copy this file, new file, Swift UI view. random. Day trip. Just like that. And then inside of random, I need to paste all of that. This is all of our code for this. Okay, options view. Capital O, capital V. Copy that. File, new, file, SwiftUI view, options view. Create, paste. I could be wrong, right? But I'm pretty sure. Why it failed to build it? Is it here? Where's the error? Oh, it's down here. Cannot find my button. Oh, it's just spelled differently, I guess. Like that. Please work. Come on. If something pops up here. Yes. Plan trip. Yes. Awesome. Okay. Now where it says try out, see how that's blue? I want this to be the same color as our button and as everything else. So I have that saved as a variable, right? So where it says try out, we need to find that button, which is some text. Is it top message? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we do foreground color, which is my button dot custom color. There we go. Oh, got this to work. And now we steal code from the other view we made, which was student view. And it's this dot toolbar thing. And that's gonna go at the end of body. And body actually starts I don't think we need this anymore. This body? Yeah. Paste that on the end. This should open. Options view. Text. Options. Expected declaration of what? Just join. What is the app about? Welcome, Brendan. So this app is called Randocity. It's on the App Store. And here, I'll type it out. So if you wanna go check it out, it's spelled like this. Randocity. Like I have the app open right here. It basically lets you generate a bunch of random items. So there's like random number generator, custom ranges, random letter, dice roll, magic 8 ball, flip a coin, and then there's like different, like you can add whatever your favorite color is, and it all is kind of cohesive. and then playing card, which I really like the animation on this one. But I'm actually adding 2 new modes. I call them modes at least. And these things. So right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this update, there's going to be 8 because I'm adding 2 more. So there's this one that like lays out like a whole day trip for you. And that's the second one. And then the first one that I just added is, what was it? God, my memory's screwed up right now. What did I just spend all my time adding? Oh yeah, it's a custom thing, so you can choose your own. You can choose your own items, and it'll randomize between them. Okay, so I think the issue here is this is supposed to be this body right here, all this. Supposed to be inside of a navigation stack. Expected declaration. That's so confusing. So we got 1, 2, 3 open ones, 1, 2, 3 closed ones. Let's try to put this in here. Well, I mean, clearly it's not working because it's not showing up. That's a good app, bro. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you, Brendan. Oh. Fix my chair. Bro, after this, I'm not updating this app for a while. This code is crazy. So, what are we doing again? I keep forgetting. So, we are trying to get this toolbar thing to show up. It should work. What is this attached to? The V stack. Okay, so maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe I just need to move it up 1 page so it's inside the navigation view. Oh yeah, there we go. Options. And then if I go to options view, dot accent color is my button dot custom color. Okay, so just as an experiment, I wonder if, well here, now we just need to add that to our mode list. I'll put it right here. We'll name it day trip. Tap here if you're bored. And then well, it'll lead to, oh, I like this music, sounds like Stranger Things kind of. Welcome to viewers. Leave a fun fact in chat. If you have any questions or anything, I'd be glad to answer whatever. Glad you are here with me tonight. Okay, where was I? Day trip right here. This needs to lead to random. And then for the icon, it's like a hiking person. Hike, maybe run. See, it wasn't that intense. It was like it's on the icon for the app, because you could see eventually this is going to be its own app. You could see right there, the green app. And you would open it and it would just do what it does now, where it makes the day trips. But I mean, technically it's a random generation tool. So I got the idea to just add it into this app. Let's see, day trip options. Okay, so those are green. I go to content view. Let's see what happens if I change the style to purple. Thank you, Glitching Whirlwind. Glitching Whirlwind. It's a cool title, by the way. I like the glitch. Yeah, well, my analytics and stats and all that jazz are starting to pick up, so. Yo, this looks dope. Quite cohesive. Teacher. Sweet. Okay, so now a cool icon. There was like a running. He wasn't running. Person. He was like hiking or something. I don't think he was walking. Oh, that's cool. Figure.american.football. Figure.archery. I didn't know they had all these. Australian football. That's a thing. Thank you, Atikpo. We got a lot of viewers tonight. We got 4. Isn't that incredible? That's like my world record. Badminton. Bade. What's bade? Thank you, man. Figured out bowling, figured out cool down. God, there's a lot of these. Is this it? Hiking. Is that what I did with this? Oh yeah, it is. Cool, thank you for the subscription, Anthony. What's the app about? First time watching. Well, seems like everyone is hopping on the stream. The app is called Randocity. I should probably put a link in the description. I'll put a link in the description. And do you have an iPhone? Because it's completely free. There's no ads or anything. I'll add a link right now. All right. Jeez, we got 6 people. That is amazing. I'm glad to see y'all here. So, if you're starting to learn mobile app development, awesome. Oh, but you're on Android. Okay. Well, basically, as you can see, there's like a random. It's a compilation of random tools, basically. So you can see here, you can generate random number. This is 0 to 1000. There's like all these custom ranges and stuff. There's custom. So this one, see there are no items to choose from, but you can go to add items and say we wanted to add the coding guy. And then we wanted to add Anthony. And then we wanted to add Vampy. And then we wanted to add Atikpo, right? Then we can come here and this will randomly choose between all the names I just gave it. Right? So you can add as many as you want and then you can swipe to delete. So, yeah. And there's day trip. This one, if you're bored, it'll kind of give you something to do. There's options like family friendly mode and old person mode. There is random letter. Pretty self-explanatory. Dice roll. Rolls of dice. I can make this a little bigger. Magic 8 ball. I'd code this over the course of like 7 weeks, I think it's been. Flip a coin. Also pretty self-explanatory. And then there's a playing card generator. And you can style all this the way you want to. And then I also made a cool like welcome screen with animations. So that's my app so far. Nice. We're at 8 viewers. If we get one more, it's gonna beat my record. Because I think a few nights ago we had 8 people watching at the same time, which was amazing. And maybe we'll be able to beat that tonight. What is the future plan for this app? So tonight I added the custom thing and I added day trip. Those weren't on there before. So right now it's free, right? Which means it's free to download on the App Store. There's 0 ads. There's nothing you can purchase in the app. So eventually I want to make the app so good and so beautifully designed, which I think right now it looks like, I know these are a little off, like the lists. I have to fix this list. This thing is hard to do. But like this looks pretty good, I think. All the animations, it's a very beautifully designed app, in my opinion. I know you might not like it, but I think it looks nice. It looks premium. It looks like an app. You know, like the newer apps everyone's been doing where it's that cool modern feel. I really like it. So I want to make it really good so I get a bunch of people to download it. And then one day I'll just roll out an update where there's a new game mode that's like game changing. And then that will be for a price, if that makes sense. While y'all are here, go ahead and join the Discord server. Link in the description right down below. So, custom is figure.hiking is what I want the icon to be. So, figure.hiking. There we go. Oh shoot, that was the wrong one. This one needs to be figure.hiking. Yes, this is Swift UI. So, Apple's framework on top of Swift. Man, that sucks. We were at 8 viewers. We're down to 6. 2 of y'all left. Quit leaving. No. I thought we were gonna beat my record or whatever. Thank you for subscribing, Anthony. I need to make it to where only subscribers can chat. Day trip. I mean, is that it? Okay, I think the only other thing I need to do now. So how long I've been into app development? About 7 weeks. This is kind of the first thing I've done. This started off with the random number generator. And then after that, I think I did coin flip. And it kind of went off from there. And then I did that thing we all do where we like reuse something we've been working on for a long time as a school project. So I kind of like use this as like a, I forgot what it was. I don't even know what category of school it was, but I used it for some project. But no, not long at all. Like, I don't know when this app was published. Say 7 weeks. It's probably been longer than that. 3 months at the most. Let's see. So now on welcome view, this is the last thing we need to do, and then I can submit it to the App Store. Oh yeah, welcome view right here. So whenever you load into the app, you get this, and this will tell you what everything does. So this will be page 2, which means this stuff is in here. So the 2 labels are here and here. One there, one there. Generate. Okay, we'll just say choose between custom items. And then the other one will be generate a day trip. Okay, now for the image. Okay, so for the, so we have right here, choose between custom items. I feel like that could be blue. And then globe. Just custom. Alright, chat. What color should I use for generate a day trip? Should be green because the hiking guy, or what color do y'all think? Globe. Figure dot hiking. I'll just do green. Damn, I've made a lot of modes, I'm not gonna lie. And then randomize accent color. Oh, you think blue for this generated day trip? Or blue for which one? Here's the list. Blue for generate day trip. Okay, here's the thing though. I don't want blue and blue to be right next to each other. Yellow. Okay, that's a good idea. So we could try yellow. I'll have to look at it in light mode though. See, that looks fine here, but then light mode. I'm gonna change this to orange. And then this one, yeah, that's a lot more visible. And then I'm also gonna change the heads or tails one to orange. because this yellow, this like yellow style, it's just orange, but you can't really tell because it's always on text and stuff. So is that it? I feel like for the list, maybe I should do dot ignore safe areas. I don't know if that did anything or not. Do I put it here? Dot ignore safe areas? No, it doesn't do anything. Get rid of that. I mean, I feel like that's everything. Let's try out content view. The ABC looks out of place. Ooh, the orange looks kind of nice. Okay, let's see. ABC. Oh yeah, you're right. It should be the lowercase one. So if I go to, thank you for pointing that out. If I go here, the icon is text format.abc. If we go and look on the welcome view list, it is ABC. It needs to be text format.abc. So now, there we go. That's better, right? It's lowercase. I think that looks good. Why is there like a divider right here? Like here's what you can do. I'm gonna get rid of that. Honestly, I want to get rid of the background too on the list. So it's like dot background, is it color dot clear? No, it's like dot background visibility. Let's ask ChatGPT. How do I make the background of a list in Swift UI transparent? That's what I did, is dot background is. Yeah, I won't do it. It's adding this like secondary color. Like, does that even show up? What if I do color.red? Like, is that even? No, it's not there. I thought it started with content, like content. Here we go. It's visibility. No, it was visibility is false. Dot scroll content background. What do I put here, chat? How do I use this? Look, I'll make it bigger so y'all can see. Visibility. No, I want to use dot scroll content background. Oh, Then you put your color in there. What's up, Daniel Morales? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo no hablo español. So I don't know if you're saying that because you actually speak Spanish or. Oh, dot hidden. I think you're right. Yes! Thank you so much, the coding guy. That's exactly what I wanted. Let's see, the dividers are a bit off. Kind of looks weird. We'll do dot list style is dot plain. Same thing. What do you mean? Oh, okay. Do you speak English or not? Tell me, Morales. That looks fine. And then coding's good. Guys, we're at 8 viewers. If we can get one more, we'll beat my record. Because a few streams ago, we actually did indeed get. Let me make myself a little brighter so y'all can see. Is that better? We hit 9 views. Did we? Let me go to my dashboard. I want to see if you're right. Current views right now. 7. What is this right here? 8. 8. No, we didn't hit 9 viewers. Looking at the graphs. Probably because of the system image. I know. Won't the dividers be able to go underneath them though? Label. Because we're looking at. Howdy, Abdu. How do you do? It's a real question. Generate playing card. Same thing here. I need to hide this. So if we go, we just take this. This should fix that. Yeah, much better. I mean, which days do I do the streaming in time? Okay, so this summer I'm gonna do a lot. Here's the thing, I have school, right? So it's kind of hard to predict. On weekends, I'll probably do a stream every day on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What time? On Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I can confidently say that I'll stream around 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. So, for instance, it's 10:20 for me. So do the math. 10:20 for me right now. So you could do the math and find out whenever that is. However, I wouldn't say there's a schedule. I know, like I wish I could. I'm not saying I don't have the strength to have a schedule or whatever. It's just really hard to because I don't know like how much homework I'm gonna have and all that jazz. Okay, I want to hide the dividers. Coding guy, do you know how to do that? Like if I just want to get rid of all these. Oh yeah, my bad. There you go. So I want to hide all of these dividers that are here. You're a computer science what? Computer science dot? I am. Oh, you are also a computer science. So annoying because there's like a little heart in the corner of my screen and it always blocks the chat. List section separator. Okay, I'll type that in. Dot list section separator dot hidden. Is that what you told me to do? It says dot edges. Wait, no, it's not a separator. False. What should I put here? I'll put what you put. I don't know if that's right. You said underscore edges. Yeah, that doesn't work. Oh, okay. Let's try that. Didn't work. Maybe, oh, it looks like they're on the bottom actually. Nope, still there. Still there. No, these are section separators. Here's, no, so I think that's list, is it cell? Section spacing, section separator. A whole choose your own adventure app. Yeah. See, Tube Slinger, I've been thinking about just making a whole AI, right? Because it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. You could train an AI, it's not that hard, and then you just plug in your API into an app. But here's the thing. Then I'd be responsible for anything that goes wrong with the AI. Yes, a whole AI. You could use the ChatGPT system to train it. But then if you cannot fully predict what's going to be done with your app, then that means you're going to be responsible. And as someone who is not a legal adult, it's going to be tough to have an app where you don't know exactly what it's going to put out into the world, which is, in the government side, the same thing as just you saying that on wherever. List row separator dot hidden. Alright, that looks like that'll work. Let's try that. Nope. And then here on choose a style, we'll add in a divider. So now here we have our what's up with this? A VStack spacer. Choose a style. Whereas here we have two spacers. I don't need two spacers here, do I? Maybe. So I want them to line up. Like, I like how that looks, where there's like one line that kind of continues over. Yeah, it doesn't work though. I mean, list row separator, we have labels. List style dot plain, okay. Dot list style dot plain. Nope, still there. Dot inset. Nope. Dot inset root. Still there. Okay, let's see what happens if I make a new list. And I added this label inside of here. And then I added another label, just see what would happen. Yeah, there's dividers. Dotless row separator hidden. Dotless style fine. I mean, look. It's exactly what you sent me. Still there. Try to change the divider color. Okay, so that'd be dot. No, it's dot row separator. Hold on, let me try this one more time. Nothing. Okay, let's try a separator. Can I put color dot blue? No, so it doesn't accept a color value. Dot list row separator tint. Color dot blue. See if it makes it blue. I don't think that's changing the color, if I'm being honest. Something's up with these lists. Tint's not working. But you dot list section separator dot hidden, nope, colored dot red. This is weird. Section separator color. Okay. Dot section separator tint, I'm guessing. Color dot red. No, it's not red. What is the dot accent color dot blue? Nothing. So this list is in a VStack. In the following code in Swift UI, how would I hide all the dividers? Wait, what? Yeah, list row separator dot hidden. We've done that. Look, if I go to this, look, I'll literally copy this. And I'll delete the list. And I'll paste it in there, just like it said. It's still there. list row insets. What is the app about? I'm sorry, Josh. I've had to explain it every time a new person joins. If you have an iPhone, even if you have an Android, you can go to the web version of the Apple App Store. Check the link in the description. And there's a link there. Edge insets. What is that? Like a number? What does it accept? You know what? Screw it. I'll do dot. Just go to the Randocity link in the description and it'll show you. Scroll content background dot hidden, and I'll just leave it like that. I don't care if the stupid dividers are offset. I'll just say it was intentional. Cool. I mean, I think it's ready. I'll test it on a few different devices. We'll test it on an iPad. I'll just make sure everything looks good in light mode, dark mode. So we'll test it out in content view. Close a few of these apps. It all works. Select a color. Cool. Okay, so we're in here. We'd switch this over to dark mode. Random number. Boom. I'm confident this will look good. Custom. There are no items to choose from. Enter a new student name. Oh, I gotta fix that. Okay, so I'll go to random, and instead of it saying enter a new, no, it's not random, it is student view. Nope, it's student settings view. Instead of it saying enter new student name, it needs to say item name. Item. Okay. So custom, we'll type in beans. Why does it like to crash? See, it's weird because sometimes Xcode will crash and it's not. Beans, fruit, water, and plants. And then randomize water, fruit, beans, water, 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 fruit, water, beans, water, fruit, beans, beans. Is it? There we go, plants. Okay. So that works. Random letter. Cool. Flip this. Cool. Oh yeah, I know an issue that, oh shoot. Just remembered something that'll probably happen. Yep. So, there's a few variables that we need to drop into there, then I promise we'll be done. So if we go to random number, you can see we have this at state, private var, should redraw equals false. Okay. So this needs to go into student view. And this needs to go into student settings view. And this needs to go into random. Just 4 pieces of code, that's all we gotta do. Put it all the way here at the bottom. And this needs to go into options view. Okay, so it looks like random already has this. That's good. Okay, so now one more bit of code we need to add to everything, which is in random number. It's at the bottom right here. Test it out with so it looks like random numbers. Oh shoot, we needed 2 of them. Crap. Okay, so student view gets its own accent int variable. Random gets its own. Oh, this is gonna drive me crazy. This is excruciating. Alright, thank you, coding guy. I will implement that code in a second. I can't stop doing this or I'll forget where I was. Options view. Ah, shit. Options view. Should redraw. Okay, get that one there. Random. Accent int. Okay, so this should work if we open content view. It's just testing out this works for one of them. What was that we were on? Was it this one? Yellow. Yes. Okay, what if we're in here? Change this to purple. This won't update yet. Okay. So that would be options view. We have this, we have that. So all we need to do is take from random number, take this code and stick it on here. That wasn't even the right one, but we got that out of the way. Student settings view. Do we have the variables? Let's see here. I don't think so. We have one of them. It should say accent int. Yeah, okay. So then we just come in here, we take this accent int thing. I saw a chat message in the corner of my eye. I will look. I promise. Spelling of family friendly. Oh, is it wrong? Let me see. Let me see. Where would that be? That would be in options view. Friendly. Isn't that Friends? Friendly. Oh, family spelled wrong. Shit, that makes sense. Family friendly. Alright. Thank you for that. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so let's see which of these work. So, on custom, if we change it to yellow, that works. On add items, if we change this to purple, that updates. Okay. On day trip, if we change this to yellow, that updates. And if we are in options, if we change this to purple, it updates. Amazing. Okay. Now we can do this code you gave me for the list, which is in welcome view. Why did I get an error? Consecutive arguments. 1, 2. We only need one here, I think. Nope, they're still there. I'll flip it into light mode so you can see better. Look, definitely there. It doesn't work. I don't know why. Maybe some weird update. I'm not wasting all my energy on that. It looks fine. All works. Cool. Okay. Now, we need to take screenshots so you can put this on the App Store. Holy crap, bro, you are helpful as heck. Alright, let's try this out then. Paste. Still there. It doesn't work. Oh, it does? Okay, well. Oh, that's cool. My microphone is like bendy kinda on this thing. Hey, I'm gonna test out this microphone. I want you to tell me what you think. Alright, switching to it. 3, 2, 1. I think that's it. So you could tell me, does it sound good? Does it sound better than before? Cause I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna switch back now. Switching back in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. This is the other microphone. Target list items individually. I think you can go label. I don't know, man. It doesn't matter. Like, I'm saying, like, just leave it. Okay. Switch this to iPhone 15 Pro. And then do this. And we'll open up my file that I got for this thing. It is smartphone plain YouTube, code, development. Oh yeah, here's my other app. Why is that on here? It's kind of weird. Okay, so what I gotta do is I gotta find development, apps, Randocity, screenshots, iPhone. This is gonna be V9. iPhone. This will be 6.8. So first I gotta go to settings, and then at the bottom I have to go to developer, turn on dark appearance. So for those of you who don't know what I'm doing, I'm just taking screenshots that show up below the little app store listing. 6.8 inch. Or is it 6.1? Oh, it's 6.1 actually. Trying to get pictures for all the different modes of it. Nah, that one's boring. We don't need photos of that. Dice roll. Something that makes it obvious that it's a dice. I don't like a number 5. Oh my god. 9 on 5, please. For the love of God. Holy crap. Just land on 5. There we go. Sweet. I can have up to 10. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's 5. And magic 8 ball. I liked it where it said shake me. Hold on. I'm gonna restart this. Can I not? There we go. So I think you can restart the app and then open it. Oh. I guess it'll say never shake me again. Or it'll never say shake me again. Okay, I'll do that. We could skip over flip a coin and playing card. Although it does look nice. We go to settings. Green. And honestly, I'm gonna leave the iPad screenshots just how they are, and the old iPhone ones. So now we open App Store Connect. I'm not sure what it's gonna show, so I'm gonna stop sharing my screen just for a second. I have to open the App Store Connect. I might stop sharing my screen just for a little bit because I know it shows a lot of important numbers and stuff on this website. By the way, what'd y'all think of my mic test? What was better, this microphone or that microphone? I'm debating turning on this backlight. I'm gonna do it. If the power goes out, the power goes out. Okay, apps. Randocity. Okay. I'll share my screen for a second here. So I have my photos. They are in development, apps, Randocity. The headset one has a lot less background. Okay. So should I switch to it? Like, in your opinion, do you think it's better? Sure, I just bought this mic stand. I don't want to like and then the headphones I did have happened to break, so I went and bought these ones, which are better. It's the weirdest series of events. Screenshots. iPhone version 9, iPhone 6.1. These are all of our screenshots. Oh shoot, no, that's gonna add them. I don't want to do that. Oh, I want to make a new one. So version 9.0, because this is kind of a big update. Well, by background noise, you mean like the AC in the background, or you mean like, is it echoey? Biggest update yet. Oh no. Version 8, 6.7 inch. Oh shoot. I took the screenshots with the wrong device size. No. And the biggest update. Oh, I don't know what happened to it. VIGGEST. Just so you know, there's like kind of a delay. So, just so you know. So this needs to be Pro Max, actually. 15 Pro Max. Simulate that. These headphones kind of hurt. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I need to just tell you all this. Oh shoot, it was supposed to be the purple theme so it fits with the app icon. I redo all that. Oh my god. Yo, welcome to the stream. We're almost done here. We just got to organize these photos. So I'm trying to put the most exciting ones forward. I feel like Magic 8 Ball is cool. Maybe the card looks nice. This looks nice. This is kind of a main feature. We'll put this one at the back because it's different. I don't know why this is red. Makes it feel like there's something wrong. Okay, what's new in this version? Added day trip mode. Or we'll do added new mode. day trip generator. Yeah, it's generator. And then added new mode. Custom. Dash. Improved visibility. Bug fixes. Added. App Store. Rating button in the more tab. Okay. Now we gotta upload a build. So here we could go to Decider, change this to 9.0, build 13, and then you do product archive. Shoot, my bad. We're back. Here's the thing. I know there's one person watching, not a lot of people. Thank you for watching, whoever you are. But now my screen's frozen. It's gonna be really frustrating to get the stream back up, and all I'm doing is like, I'm just dragging and dropping, doing website stuff. Nothing exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. The power keeps going out, which is really annoying. Thank you so much for all the people who did join. And thank you to whoever is still watching right now. And I wish you the best. Good night. Peace. Wait, hold on.